I unbox iQOO 15. Open up the box, everyone, and take a good look at this particular color scheme of Lingyun. The entire color border is crafted with a matte metallic frame, and the back cover initially appears to be gray at first glance. However, when viewed from a certain angle, you can notice a streak of red here. It somewhat resembles the sensation of the Monkey King's triumphant return with a hint of red, akin to the battle robe of the great sage equal to heaven, imparting a highly impressive and impactful aura. On this occasion, the entire camera module, as you can observe, features a ring at the lower section, and the breathing light is capable of 100 times zoom. The protective case from Lingyun is crafted from silicone, and there's an allocated space for the breathing light, ensuring it won't be obstructed. Below is its C-to-C connection, which is regarded as the highest standard. The 100-watt fast-charging head that comes with the iQOO 15 is exceptionally excellent. The anti-glare coating looks quite dark. I suggest that everyone should not peel off this film because you probably won't find such a good soft film on the market. Now let's enter the system. As for the MacBook 15, it comes with the brand new Origin OS 6 pre-installed. This system has undergone a complete upgrade and adjustment in terms of design language, animation, and overall aesthetics. Blue Star Little V, it will have a more feminine touch. So this is the all-new iQOO 15. If anyone wants to know more about its audio motor or other features, you are welcome to join our live stream. We can have a one-on-one discussion about the iQOO 15. There is one in white and one in gray. Take a look, the white one has a more noticeable change. Previously, the BMW's 3 stripes have turned into black, red, and orange, forming a pattern that says Monster inside. Monster inside means the monster is inside the phone. This is part of their marketing strategy this time, featuring a red accent on the back. The design of the camera module continues the style of the previous iQOO 13. This time it offers a 100x digital zoom, as you can see. Right? And then this screen is a top-tier 2K screen from Samsung with M14 procurement. This screen is really impressive, and from what I can see on site, the effect is quite good. This is the new Nike 15's front black bezel, and you can look closer at the control features. It's not as good as the X300, but overall it's acceptable. The ultrasonic fingerprint recognition should be released soon, this month. It hasn't been released in Shenzhen, but here it should also have a breathing light, which is just below the entire camera. What do you think about the iQOO 15? Does this color look good?